Yeah, you can record anytime. Just like yeah.
They're Tozy. I'm recording right now. This is I don't usually record that much because when I record, it like mutes my Discord.
Ah, okay.
So like I can't tell if someone's texting me or someone's calling me. Like I would have to be in a call with them.
You have streamer mode on.
Yeah, streamer mode. That's what it does.
Okay. Sir, no, why, sir? Why can't you talk, bro? Am I in the cave? No, no. Hurry, get up, bro. Hurry, get up, bro.
I a mute. I know you're mute. I know you're muted.
Hurry, my mind, please, bro. Hurry up, no. Are you kidding me, bro? Are
No.
you?
What do
I
you
got my
mean? Tozy, how'd you drown?
one. To me.
I
I
can't
don't
even
worry about.
talk right now. Like how?
Bro, who? Alright, here. You got my core team. Hold up. Mad Iron too, bro.
It's like the other one. Remember Tozy when you died in the beginning? I mean, like we were about to die.
What, me? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember that, yeah.
We tried to go save you. Iggy killed me. But where's
At it.
Iggy been anyway?
Iggy's not in here. He doesn't make YouTube videos either.
Bruh.
Bro, cause I'm actually logging in on the content. I had to boot.
I get that, but I don't understand.
It's just like it's like the thing is like, bro. You know
Oh
how
my!
everyone's
What
racist to
the?
me, right? Yo, you know how everyone's racist to me, right?
Yeah, but
Like, 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 like I can name like the whole entire like
so
all my
this
friends.
happened to me. Literally, like I'm getting shot from behind, forward, left, right, and I'm getting banged, bro. What am I supposed to do?
Nah, 4v1 in bed.
Exactly, bro. Me and
Yeah,
drama.
wrong word, wrong word.
That was a tactic.
Yeah. Started.
I mispronounced the word.
Crazy work.
Alright, so what's the main goal, Toji?
My goal was to not die on the server, but Pope killed me for no reason. So I don't even have a goal anymore, bro.
Well, yeah, you have to have a goal. What is that goal?
I don't have one anymore because the Pope ruined it, bro. He killed like I was like me and him are like teams, right?
Mm-hmm.
He killed me for no reason. Even though we're teams, bro. Like, what can I do? I haven't died. Not wow, nice, Pope. Nice.
You don't have to say
I
nice.
really asked for that. I really asked for that. I really did, bro. I know, bro. I really didn't ask for that, bro. That's crazy work. That's crazy work. I really didn't ask for that. That's crazy. Oh my gosh.
So our team is us and not mad.
Mm.
Alright.
Well, no, Maz is not on one team.
Wait, then why?
No,
Wait, then
the
wait.
cloud.
Me and
Wait, what?
wait, then why am I? Wait.
The
Wait,
one.
then why is he in that one group chat? The one that you made.
Uh, that was just all group chat. I'm not gonna actually make that the real group chat, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna make a new one later though.
The mask.
Yeah. Wait, do you have a skin with a mask on it?
Huh?
Do you have a skin with a mask on it?
I could look for it.
All right.
Oh wait, Black Gug, he tells you.
Well, oh yeah. Wait, hold up. Hold up, wait. Alright. You know you can download skins, right?
Oh, I know that. I've been downloading skins. That's how I got some of my skins. But I told you I got mad last night and I like almost destroyed my PC, but then like I decided to just get on.
How come? How?
Bro, I'm telling you that night vision's hella annoying. It's cause since I'm not really used to having night vision, so like if I have night vision, I'm guessing that there's already light there, but I forgot that I have night vision. So like I got jumped by like hella mobs, like creeper, 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 like creeper. Oh man, there's hella of them, bro.
I bet.
You don't have to
Wait.
take it off if you don't want to. I'm just telling you, like maybe.
Nah, I won't take it off. I'm sorry, bro.
All right.
Wait, can you import skins? No, you can't import skins like on PlayStation, right? No, you can't. But
I told you. What if I just a question? What if I'm like the Squid Games people that they have a mask?
yeah, sure, that'll be fun.
What if I'm a naked Steve skin with a mask?
That's you're gonna get man, bro. Just don't do that, bro. Why would you even ask me that question, bro?
This may be questionable. Here, I'm gonna put this skin on, bro.
Bro.
What happened, Tozy?
Nothing.
Alright.
My stuff back before it despawns.
Tozy, you wanna see my skin, Tozy? You wanna see my skin?
Not yet, not yet. Hold up. I'm trying first.
Alright, let's take a picture. Oh, wrong skin. Tozy,
Yeah.
imagine if you and AJ met up again.
Okay, we're actually planning on it. We're actually planning on it.
Alright. I thought you were gonna come to where I was.
I don't know, but like one day though, like just one day.
One, two, alright.
It's okay, bro.
I guess the
Hey,
way
it's
you
all
start
really my
seeing
fault, bro.
me along the way. What'd you say, Tozy?
Nothing. I was saying that I went very far out.
Alright. Tozy, is it okay if I like at some point I become a solo and I pick up? Or is that okay?
Do whatever you want, bro. It's content SMP.
Wait, what is it called?
Just content creator SMP.
Oh, I thought you said
No,
something else.
well, like okay.
What do you think I said? I mean, what do you think I thought you said? Never mind, actually, never mind.
Hold up real quick. I need to see the records. Hold up. What else? What else? What else? What else? Anything? Okay, so
Oh my god, Tozy, I think I'm lost.
who's wait, what? So who's all on right now?
Oh, me, B, D, X, D, I don't even know who that is. Who is it?
That's Divine.
Divine, who's that? And I'm
That's
Chloe, Sarah, and you. And me. Tozy, it's fine.
Oh, you see that one guy with like the Maharaga thing? What like Maharaga? No, isn't yeah? It was one night. 192. Hold up.
Tozy, be careful with the words you're saying because it could mean something. I'm trying to record right
Oh, up here. Hold up. It's right here. I'm looking at myself. I'm not. I'm not. Yeah. I'm not. I'm not actually making it based on this. Okay.
now. Wait, so is this community SMP?
Basically, more like just a content creator. Or something. It's like it's kind of like the lifestyle SMP. You know.
Raising up creators SMP.
Right. Okay. Level one.
Look, Tozy, I'm gonna send you a picture. Is this a good skin?
Hold up. Hold up. I'm gonna meet you at spawn to see you at this game. Right? Hold up.
Now I'm gonna send you a picture. I'm gonna send you a picture. Look, is that a good skin, Tozy?
Did you send me it?
I sent you a picture.
Alright, here. But I'm back to spawn right now.
Wait, I'm kind of far away from spawn a little bit. Wait, what type of stuff do you have? Like right now? Oh, actually, never mind.
What?
Didn't you die?
Yeah, but I just got my stuff.
Let's see when I meet up. So like right now? Right now, Touch? Right now?
Right now, what?
We can meet up right now.
Sure. Oh yeah. Never mind. Never mind.
Never mind. Alright.
No, no, no. Like, go to spawn so we can meet up though.
I'll be on my way. This is gonna let you know I have like almost nothing.
Me too.
Wait, the vine get up.
I don't think so.
Oh, by the way, Tozy, I fell into like a cave, so like I don't know how to get out. I just fell again.
That's like this might.
Okay, but I'll try to build my
It's
way out.
fine.
I'll try to build my way out.
Alright. It's still daytime, but like cloudy. It's raining. No, no papers. I thought she said. I thought she said no papers.
What?
I thought Sarah said no papers.
Wait.
Bro. In chat. Bro, I got called. I got ice called to me yesterday, bro.
Why?
I'm back at my country, bro.
What to do, Tozy? They caught
I
you.
told my. Yeah, bro, they caught me, bro. I told my friend that he likes one fat girl, right? He called ice, bro. What do you want me to do now, bro? I'm stuck.
You got another chicken.
What? I know you're IP, bro. I'm gonna call ice on you, bro.
Wait, so we're spawned over there, right?
Yeah, one is always using. Who might have died? Why am I not clicking the button?
Wait, Tozy, is this me or does everything regen slower? Like I'm regenning slower.
No, that's how it's always.
What?
That's how it's always been.
Oh, for me, it feels like I'm regenning slower.
No.
Well, guess what?
What?
I joined DoorDash. I joined it.
Oh yeah, I remember me and I was used to play. Oh! What was that? No, my demons came. I don't. Nah, bro. What the heck? Yeah.
Me and somebody named Clown Fierce, but like they're just a normal person. They're not the actual one. Just a random person.
All right.
They used to play, but like their base got raided. They don't have a netherite chest plate. That's all they have in like base surrounding. They opened the crate and gave me diamond armor. There's a chance of like prop one, prop
Actually, yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I'm about to play. I'm about to play next. I'm about to like after this. I'm gonna play too.
two. Alright.
I gotta hop back on. I'm gonna see
Wait,
what.
have you ever? Do you even have a base or like? I don't know what you have.
Yeah, me and Oswald used to play together back then. But yo, that cave is actually massive, bro.
One of us massive.
Oh, my schlong?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, here we go.
So do you know something that annoys me? You take fall damage.
Are you fucking kidding me? Bro, only. Oh my gosh, bro, I'm gonna kill myself, bro. I'm gonna hurt myself, bro. I'm
Nah,
gonna hurt.
nah, nah, but don't.
I'm gonna hurt myself, bro.
Bro, you mad as me.
A creeper blew up, right? I was looking at the edge of the cave, right? It was like this big crater of the cave, right?
Yeah.
Shut up! I'm on phone, alright? Damn. Okay. So, right? I was on the edge of the cave, right? Like looking down on the cave, right?
Hmm.
The creeper blew up, right? I didn't know what to do. I had ooh the creeper blew up, which blew up the blocks under me, right? And now I just fell.
No shovel. I got no shovel.
Is it me or more like more mobs spawn?
Yeah, that's what I've been talking about more. Cause I can't see where there's dark and what's not dark. That's what I'm talking about. I can't
No,
see where there's dark.
it's like more mobs spawn. I know it's nighttime, but it's like the more mobs spawn.
Maybe that, but like, I don't know. I just feel like more mob. I just feel like I can't. Oh my god, I just can't see when. I'm wrong.
Okay, man. Bro, my arms hurt, bro.
Alright. Why? Doing something, bro? Doing something?
Jacking you off, bro.
Alright. I don't
Why do you say it like that? Alright. Get it? No, bro. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put in announcements as a vote.
That's what I've been talking about, please. Yeah, that's what I've been talking about. I cannot tell if it's like bright or not. What? What? Tozy, this is gay. Tozy, I'm gonna send you a recording, but this is gay. That shield's been up, a zombie's able to hit through it, even though like it's been.
Bro, what?
And now I can't even swim up. Wait, I'm swimming backwards when I'm pressing W. What the hell?
Finally, bro, I'm at my stuff.
Let's go.
Damn, what's it? Yeah, bro, I quit this game, bro. Yeah, bro, I quit this game, bro. Cause the cave is so massive. I literally was a creeper, bro.
Not that wasn't directed to you, Tozy. That was directed to them.
No. Like, bro, if I wasn't on the phone, bro, if I was on, oh my gosh, if I was on PlayStation, only if I was on PlayStation, bro.
Ah, see it. Let me see a ball.
Crazy, bro. Only if I was on PlayStation, bro. Oh yeah, bro, you know how to, oh my god, you know how to skateboard, right?
Huh?
Do you know how to skateboard?
I don't have a. I don't have a skateboard. No, I don't know.
Bro,
What happened?
no, cause today I almost fell down when I was riding my skateboard, right? I was trying to like learn a new trick,
Yeah.
right? Cause doggies always want a new trick, right?
Alright.
Uh, oh, but anyways, yeah, I almost fell, right? It almost got when you open.
What?
Yeah.
He's like, no, like actually, I almost did though.
But how?
Oh my!
Tozy, tell me where you died. I'll go over there. Yeah, my God, bro, he left. That's how it's both. I don't know. What the fuck? That thing's act. I don't even have a shield. Well, I found spawn Tozy, but like, oh, this is me and you, Sarah. Tozy, Tozy. Alright. You there, Tozy? Bro, I'm sorry for not helping you, bro. I just don't know where you are.
Like I gotta keep on going this way, then keep on going straight. But I lost myself for a moment.
Okay.
I keep on going the same lane, bro. I'm just trying to bring myself to spawn, bro. I can't do anything.
You can't what?
I can't do anything because I can't. Where I am. For real, I don't even know what this guy's talking about. Bro. Yeah, hello? Bro, who joined?
I'm not sure. Oh, Danny. I don't know who
What, Danny?
that is. What's the name? Not the original. Someone else.
Oh.
Alright. Black. The new movie?
Bro,
Mm-hmm. That
I watched
Spanish
that
movie?
video. I watched that movie. I'm not gonna lie, I watched the movie. That movie was fun.
Alright. Were you in it?
What? Actually, they gave me a contract, yeah. Nah, I didn't accept it.
Let your kingdom burn. Bro, who is this guy talking about?
Bro,
What is he talking
what
about?
the block think he is? Kill him. Yeah.
They
That's
gave me a
good.
tactic, sir. I'm not gonna lie.
What?
Wait, why is their text the original text, but ours is different? Wait.
That's the
Oh, that's capitalized.
Finally, I have my stuff now, bro. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Wait, aren't they breaking spawn rules and burning down the stuff?
Wait. You have to teleport that. Teleport that right now. Teleport that right now. Teleport that right now.
Wait, I have it clipped, bro. I'm recording right now, but that's clipped.
That's crazy. New project, new video unlocked. Shit. But yeah, I don't think I'm teaming with them, man. I'm not gonna lie.
What's
I'm
that?
not gonna lie, bro. I'm gonna leave the team, bro.
Spawn gone, bro? What do you mean?
No, I
Literally?
actually spent time on that build, bro. the fact you can actually spend time like building it, bro.
No joke. Like you mean it.
You lost, bro. Yeah, I think it's gone, bro.
Just ban them. Can you ban them real quick? Or like,
No, bro, it's a part of the SMP, bro. I can't do that. I can't ban it. Oh my gosh. Okay. He's
Tozy, I just turned on my hack just to go to spawn, bro. It's burnt.
bro. There's no way. You actually did.
Nah, I'm joking. I would've turned on my hack. Did you actually think for a second? You probably did, not gonna lie.
Yes, you can do.
I'm actually gonna go to spawn, though. I do want to see you. I have full iron now. But it's kind of an improvement, I guess.
Hold up, real quick, hold up, real quick. Let me see what he said. Say.
From where I am, I can't see much. I'm gonna look at your screen share. Oh, wait, that's... Oh my, guys, I think we're acoustic, chat. I think we're acoustic. Maybe Danny's the person who burnt down the stuff, chat. Maybe. Maybe.
Oh, Danny. I thought you were talking about somebody else called Danny. My fault.
No, I said not the original. Wait, you mean like something completely different?
Yeah, somebody completely different. I thought you were someone else.
Bro, what do you do? Chat. Wait, Tozy, where are you? Freaking go to you? Actually, don't answer that question. Do not answer the question by coordinates. Do not answer the question.
Oh, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Yeah.
Oh crap! It's completely gone. Yep, it's actually gone, bro. Bro, even the cross is gone, bro. What the fuck? I mean, the cross is still there, but like the place where it was gone. The thing where it says in process, bro. Not off most. But Tozy, who's Danny in the VC? Do you know them?
Yeah, that's you know the TikToker I was talking about, right? That's actually good at PvP.
No.
Good. No, he's actually good at PvP. Not gonna lie. I've been watching for a while. Not gonna lie. You know Turtle God?
But are they good at both PvPs, Lava and Bedrock, or just Java?
Yeah, both of them.
Let's go. Let me guess, Tozy, you're gonna team up with them?
No, I'm allied with them. No. Bro, I'm on half water, bro. What am I supposed to do?
Never mind. I just respond back to you right now. There. Yeah?
Alright.
Well, I'll be right back, Tozy. Wait, I'll be right back.
Alright, but why does it have to rain, bro?